In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook inbox view. By the end, you'll know how to tailor your inbox so it's easier to scan, read, and manage your emails, whether you're using the new Outlook on the web or the Outlook desktop app on Windows. Let's start with the new Outlook experience and Outlook on the web. First, open Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your inbox. This opens a panel where you can control how your mail looks and behaves. From there, go to Mail, then choose Layout. This is the hub for view options. If you like a cleaner inbox, turn on Focused Inbox to let Outlook separate important messages into focused and move the rest into other. If you prefer to see everything in one place, choose Not to Sort. Next, decide how your messages are organized. You can group emails by conversation so replies are threaded together, which helps you follow a discussion and reduces clutter, or show each email as an individual message if you want every item listed separately. Finally, set your reading pane. You can place it on the right for a wide, side-by-side view, on the bottom for a taller reading space, or hide it entirely if you'd rather open emails in full. These changes apply immediately, so you can tweak a setting and see the result right away. Now, let's switch to the Outlook desktop app on Windows. Open your inbox and go to the View tab at the top of the window. This is where most visual settings live. In the current view group, click Change View to pick a preset. Compact is a dense list that fits more on the screen, Single gives each message a bit more space for readability, and Preview shows a short snippet of each email's content. If you want something tailored to your workflow, choose Manage Views to create or edit a custom view so you can save a look and reuse it later. Still on the View tab, use the Layout options to refine things further. Turn Conversation View on if you want related emails grouped together, or off to see each message individually. Adjust the reading pane to the right, at the bottom, or turn it off if you prefer opening messages in their own window. While you're here, you can also adjust spacing and preview options to make the list more compact or more relaxed, depending on your screen size and preference. That's it. Thanks for watching.